Hot chocolate without cocoa powder sounds like a paradox. How can you make hot chocolate without the main ingredient? Nevertheless, I will show you how to make hot chocolate without cocoa powder that is rich, creamy, and easy to make. To make hot chocolate without cocoa powder, you will need the following ingredients: 90 to 100 grams of dark chocolate, which is about one average-sized chocolate bar, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, pinch of salt, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Now, to make the chocolate melt faster, chop the chocolate bar into small pieces and set it aside for a moment. Pour the milk into the saucepan and drop in 2 cinnamon sticks and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and bring it to a simmer while stirring constantly. Once the milk starts to simmer, turn the heat to low and let it simmer for 10 minutes to infuse the milk with all the lovely warm and sweet cinnamon flavor and aroma. Then remove the cinnamon stick and add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, or more if you like it sweeter, and a small pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Now, add all the dark chocolate pieces and simmer on medium-low heat until all the chocolate has melted. If you like your hot chocolate really rich and creamy, then keep simmering it for an extra few minutes till you have achieved the desired consistency. For more luxuriously chocolatey recipes, check out my other 9 hot chocolate recipes without cocoa powder. I have left the link in the description below this video. Check it out now.